Have you ever thought about making money from your computer? The world is different now. The internet has become a global marketplace, connecting billions of people and opening new doors for everyone. You don't need a fancy degree or a big investment. All you need is a computer or smartphone and an internet connection. This is the new reality of work, open to anyone willing to learn and take the first step. You might be thinking, is making money online really for me? The truth is, today's tools are made for beginners. No tech expertise needed. Platforms like Etsy, Amazon, Upwork, and Fiverr make it easy to get started. You don't need to be an expert. Simple skills are in demand. Start small, work from anywhere, and move at your own pace. The door is open. You can start making money online today. So, what exactly is freelancing? Instead of working for one company, you work for yourself, offering your skills to different clients for specific projects. You're your own boss, choosing when, where, and what you work on. Freelancing is perfect for beginners because you can start with skills you already have, there's almost no risk, and you can work from anywhere with just a laptop and internet. It's flexible, simple, and accessible to anyone. Wondering what skill you can offer as a freelancer? Most people have more valuable skills than they realize. Look at your daily tasks, hobbies, or what friends ask you for help with, like writing, organizing, or creating graphics. These are all potential freelance skills hiding in plain sight. Make a list of what you're good at. You'll be surprised how many marketable skills you already have. Ready to land your first client? Start by picking one freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr and focus on mastering it. Create a strong profile with a professional photo and clear headline. Apply for jobs with personalized proposals that show you understand the client's needs. Be patient. Your first 5-star review is the key to unlocking more opportunities. Landing your first client is a huge milestone, but your journey as a freelancer is just beginning. To stand out and earn more, always deliver excellent service and communicate clearly. Over-deliver with small, thoughtful extras. As you gain positive reviews, gradually increase your rates. Specializing in a niche makes you more valuable and helps you attract higher-paying clients. This is the path to becoming a highly paid freelancer. Selling products online is easier than ever. You don't need a big company, just a good idea or a hobby you love. Platforms like Etsy and eBay let you sell handmade crafts or unique finds from home. They handle the technical stuff so you can focus on your products. Start small, learn as you go, and turn your passion into income, one happy customer at a time. What if you want to sell something, but you don't want to deal with packing boxes and shipping physical items? The answer is digital products. A digital product is something you create once and can sell over and over again without any extra work. There's no inventory to manage and no shipping costs. Once a customer buys it, they receive it instantly as a download. This is an incredibly powerful business model because it can become a source of passive income, which we will talk more about later. For now, let's explore some simple digital products that you can create as a beginner with very basic skills. One of the easiest digital products to create is a simple template. People are always looking for ways to save time and get organized. You could use a free tool like Canva to design templates for things like social media posts, resumes, wedding invitations, or weekly planners. Another idea is to create simple spreadsheets for budgeting or project tracking using Google Sheets. You create the template one time, save it as a PDF or a link, and then you can sell it an infinite number of times on a platform like Etsy. People will happily pay a few dollars for a tool that makes their life easier. Another popular digital product is printable art or guides. If you have a good eye for design or enjoy writing, this is a great option. You could design simple motivational quotes or beautiful patterns that people can buy, download, and print at home to hang on their walls. Or you could write a short ebook or guide on a topic you know well. It doesn't have to be a long novel. A simple 10-page guide on how to care for houseplants or a beginner's guide to meal prepping can be very valuable to someone who is new to that topic. You're selling your knowledge in a neat, easy-to-read package. The process for selling digital products is very similar to selling physical ones. You create your product and then you list it for sale on a marketplace like Etsy or Gumroad. The big difference is that after the initial creation, your work is mostly done. The platform handles the payment and automatically delivers the digital file to the customer. This frees up your time, allowing you to either create more digital products or focus on marketing your existing ones. It is a fantastic way to build an asset that can earn you money 24 hours a day, even when you are not actively working on your computer. Creating content on YouTube or a blog is a powerful way to make money online. You don't need fancy equipment or to be a celebrity, just share your passion, whether it's cooking, gaming, or travel. Start with what you have, be authentic, and provide value. Over time, your audience and income can grow. It's a rewarding journey that lets you build a community around what you love. As you explore these different ways of selling and creating, you will notice something powerful. They can all work together. You don't have to choose just one path. In fact, the most successful online entrepreneurs often combine several methods to create multiple streams of income. This makes their online business stronger and more stable. For example, a freelancer who writes blog posts for clients can also start their own blog. A YouTuber who makes videos about graphic design can sell their own design templates as digital products. Each part of the business helps to support and grow the other parts. Let's imagine a practical example of how this works. You start by offering freelance services as a social media manager for small businesses. Through this work, you learn a lot about what types of content work well on Instagram. You could then start your own YouTube channel where you teach other people how to grow their Instagram accounts. In your videos, you could mention a simple digital product you created, like a 30-day Instagram content planner that your viewers can buy. Now you have income from freelancing, from YouTube ads, and from selling your own digital product. They all connect to your core skill. The most important advice is to start small and focus on one thing first. Trying to do everything at once is a recipe for feeling overwhelmed and giving up. Pick the one idea from this section that sounds the most exciting and achievable for you right now. Is it selling a handmade craft on Etsy? Is it creating a simple budget template? Or is it starting a blog about your favorite hobby? Choose that one thing and dedicate your energy to getting it started. Your goal is to get your first sale or your first 100 blog visitors. Achieving that first small win will give you the motivation to keep going. Remember that creating and selling online is a journey of learning and experimenting. Your first product might not be a bestseller, and your first blog post might not get a lot of readers. That is perfectly okay. Every successful person started at zero. The key is to take that first step, learn from the experience, and then take the next one. Don't be afraid to try something new or to pivot if an idea isn't working. The beauty of the online world is its flexibility. You have the freedom to build, create, and sell in a way that feels right for you, one small step at a time. Passive income, earning money while you sleep, sounds magical, but it's not free money. It always starts with real work up front, building a system or asset that pays you back over time. Think of it like planting a fruit tree. You dig, plant, water, and wait before you ever see fruit. The payoff comes later, with less effort, but only after you've put in the work. Online, passive income often means creating digital products, guides, templates, or art that you sell repeatedly. Platforms like Etsy or Gumroad automate sales and delivery so you don't have to be involved in every transaction. You'll still need to market your products, but the core process becomes mostly hands-off. The real goal? More freedom over your time. When your income isn't tied to hours worked, you can focus on what matters most to you. It's about breaking the link between time and money. So, what assets can you build? Digital products are just the start. You can also earn from affiliate marketing, print on demand, or online courses. Each method requires effort at the beginning but can pay you back for years. Passive income is about planting seeds now for a harvest later. Let's explore a few simple ways to start building your own online money trees. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to start earning online. You recommend products you trust, share a special link, and earn a commission when someone buys. No need to create products or handle customer service, just share what you love. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates, get your unique links, and add them to your blog, YouTube, or social media. When someone clicks and buys, you get paid. The key: only recommend products you genuinely use and believe in. Your audience will trust your advice if it's honest. For example, review your favorite kitchen gadget and include your affiliate link. As your audience grows, so does your earning potential. Building trust and providing value is essential. Start small, earn a few dollars, then scale up as your content and audience expand. Blogs, YouTube channels, and focused social media accounts are great platforms. The more helpful your content, the more people will follow your recommendations. Over time, those small commissions can add up to a steady passive income stream. Affiliate marketing is a win-win. You help your audience and earn along the way. Want to sell t-shirts or mugs without buying inventory? Print on demand Pod is your answer. Create a design, upload it to a pod service like Printful or Printify, and they handle the rest. No upfront costs, no boxes in your garage. Use free tools like Canva to make your designs, no art degree required. Connect your pod service to Etsy or Shopify, and your products are ready for sale. When someone orders, the pod company prints, packs, and ships it directly to the customer. You never touch the product. Your profit is the difference between your sale price and the pod base cost. The beauty: you only pay after you've made a sale, so there's no risk of unsold inventory. Scale easily. One design can go on many products, and you can create as many designs as you want. Your main job is coming up with creative ideas and marketing your store. POD is a hands-off way to turn creativity into income. It's perfect for beginners who want to start an online business with minimal risk. Focus on unique, fun, or niche designs to stand out. With POD, your creativity can earn for you 24/7 from anywhere. Your knowledge is valuable. Why not turn it into income? Create a simple online course about something you know well, whether it's a skill, hobby, or expertise. You don't need fancy equipment. Just plan a few short lessons and record them with your phone or computer. Focus on clear, step-by-step teaching that helps students achieve a specific goal. Host your course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, which handle payments and student access. Once your course is live, it becomes a digital asset that sells itself. You might answer questions or update content occasionally, but most of the work is done up front. A single course can reach thousands, earning you passive income for years. Online courses set you up as an expert and help others learn. Start with a topic you're passionate about and break it into easy lessons. The barrier to entry is low. Just share what you know. Selling your knowledge online is one of the most scalable ways to earn. Turn your expertise into a product that works for you around the clock. Not sure where to start? Here are the top 3 easiest ways for beginners to earn online. First, freelancing. Offer a skill you already have, writing, data entry, or social media help, on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. You get paid directly for your time and skills, no product needed. Second, sell digital products on Etsy. Design a template, planner, or printable art once and sell it over and over. It's a low-effort way to start a small business. Third, affiliate marketing. Start a blog or social media page about a topic you love and share product links to earn commissions. These methods are accessible, low risk, and can be started today. Pick the one that excites you most and take your first step. Each teaches valuable skills: client communication, marketing, or content creation. You'll build confidence and see real results quickly. These options lay a solid foundation for future online ventures. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your income grow. Your online earning journey begins with just one action. You've learned practical ways to earn online, freelancing, digital products, passive income, and more. These aren't just ideas, they're real strategies used by thousands every day. The only difference between those earning online and those who aren't? Taking the first step. You don't need a dramatic life change, just start small. Create a Fiverr profile, brainstorm digital product ideas, or sign up for an affiliate program. Even an extra $100 a month can make a difference, covering bills or saving for something special. As you learn, your income can grow. The potential is unlimited, but it all starts with that first dollar. Your journey isn't a distant dream, it can start today. Decide which path excites you most and take action. Every online success story began with a single step. The tools and knowledge are in your hands. What will you do next? Your online earning adventure starts now. The 2 most important ingredients for your success are patience and action. You absolutely need both. They work together like two sides of the same coin. Take action. Start building, creating, and learning. But also be patient. Results take time. Every effort is a seed. With patience and action, your success will grow. As we close this guide, remember, you already have what you need to begin. Confidence comes from action, not waiting. The only thing between you and a new source of income is the decision to start, and the courage to keep going. You have nothing to lose and a world of freedom to gain. The journey starts now. You can do this.